today's video is going to be a DIY or tutorial on a wolf makeup. I did buy this headband at the 99-cent store. It is a cat headband. It's not a wolf headband. It says cat right about there. It was only 99 cents. It does this sparkly side to it, but I want to wear it like this with the furry side. If you didn't see my my video prior to this one, is 3 sibling costume ideas or 3 sister costume ideas, and one of them is Little Red Riding Hood and Grandma, and I did the DIY for the grandma. So I'm gonna be the wolf carrying Layla, which is the grandma, you know, and then Luna is going to be the Little Red Riding Hood. And today I'm going to be doing the makeup for the wolf. I'm inspired, or I'm going to be following this one right here that I found in Pinterest, but I'm going to substitute the browns for the purples because I want to be a fun wolf, not so of a scary wolf, you know what I mean? Because if I were to be a scary wolf, my children would be afraid of me, and then that's not what I want, right? So you're obviously going to need a black pencil and some purple eyeshadows. You can use whatever you want. I have the Rock Nudes from Maybelline. I have this forever. I don't usually use eyeshadows. And then I also have, I'm going to be using this other one from this really old Vampire Beauty book that I have. And this one is how they look. The colors, they're like mauvey purple, stuff like that. So I'm going to be using primarily that. So we'll see how they look and how it comes out, and hopefully it comes out like I want to. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started to doing. For today's messy wolf makeup or face paint, I should call it. This is like, can you see the lashes? Can you see my lashes? I don't know if they're stuck to there. I see blur because I've never have put lashes. I see blur. I see blur. But there you go. It's very messy, very like, but you get the look, right? Can you see the wolf? Can you see the wolf? Can you see the wolf? And there you have it. Look at Grandma, the wolf, Little Red Riding Hood. Look at me, Luna. No, I don't eat Little Red Riding Hood. I eat Grandma.
Mom, Mommy, my hand.
Give me a kiss. So there you have it. Hopefully you guys like this video or at least find it fun. Hope you guys have a happy Halloween and we'll see you next time. Goodbye. Grandma, are you struggling there with the scarf?
Goodbye, Grandma. Goodbye, Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.